Bose PS28 Series 3. This is a customer return, and they were saying that the subwoofer doesn't work. There's no green light. Green light shows here. Have a green light, put it in the video and everything else. Green light works. We've got it connected right now to like one of those media centers here. This is the media center right there. We've got all the speakers connected. Just to show that this is going on. I've got it on mute. I put up Halo because Halo's really easy to get bass from. There it is, all connected. And goes to the back of this unit here. And there's my speakers. I didn't bother setting them up surround sound style. This screen shows that the Acoustimass bass module is being recognized by my media center so that it actually is working. Otherwise it would not recognize it and it wouldn't show the screen. So we got this on here because we can do some really controlled bass type things. We can roll around in a vehicle and everything else, and this will kind of, hopefully you can hear the rattle while I'm trying to play here. So, and I'm the only one on the map, so it's not like it's just like a custom, it's just a custom thing I'm doing here. All right, here we go.
Minutes remaining. What next?
Who's that? Popping invisibility. Skewer. Trying to get up there. My bass is pretty deafening. Let's see here. Why isn't my jumping working? Super delayed because I'm just trying to stream it. That's not bass, then I don't know what that is. Oh, let's do the gravity hammer. But just to show you that that's
our weapons incoming
works.
Grab the power weapons.
There it is. So that is the subwoofer working. No issues. As you can see. Also still packed in the customer's tape and everything else.